Hello and good morning everyone. Today we are going to revise adjectives. Okay, what are adjectives? Adjectives generally are a describing words. Okay, and what it describes? It describes noun or a pronoun. Okay, so let's move to the definitions. See, adjectives: person, animal, place, things. So you must have thinking that their person, place, animal, things are noun. Why it is written here adjectives? You know why? Because any word, okay, any word which is describing noun, that is called adjective. Okay, with the word which is saying the speciality or the color, the kind, the shapes of a noun, that is a adjective or a describing words. See, I am taking the example of a girl. See, she is a person, so she is a beautiful girl. Now you know that girl is a noun and beautiful is describing the girl, that she is beautiful girl. So beautiful is the adjective. Okay, now move to the second example. Animal. The cat is very nice. Okay, so nice is a adjective. It is saying the speciality of the cat. Cat is an animal. Okay, cat is an animal. So place. Now place, if I am saying garden, this garden is very big. Okay, so the garden is very big. Big is the adjective. Now thing, if it is ice cream, so the taste of the ice cream is very delicious. Okay, so delicious is describing this ice cream, so it will be a adjective. Okay, now move to the second one. What you have to do? Okay, you have to I am just making you to see some of the examples related to describing words or adjective. The kind boy helped the blind man cross the road. Okay, so see the first sentence, the kind boy. The boy is a what? Noun. Okay, so kind will be the main adjective here. Help the blind man. So the man is blind. So blind will be the adjective here. Cross the road. Okay. Now this is a tree. Now tree is a noun here. Okay, but if I will say this is a big tree, so big is describing the tree, that it is a big tree. Okay. Okay, the sky is blue. So what is the color of the sky? Blue. Okay, so blue will be a adjective here. A tiger has an orange skin with black stripes on its body. So tiger has an orange skin. So orange will be the, see, the sky is blue and here orange will be the adjective, black will be the adjective. Okay. See, blue is the adjective here, orange will be the adjective and black will be the adjective. Okay, it's a color. So it's saying the color of the noun, given noun, adjectives. An adjective describes a noun, what I told you. Now let's check. We have to check the certain adjective. What I have to do? Identify and click on the adjective in the given sentences. The sun is yellow. Okay, so yellow, it's right. I have a white puppy. Okay, white. Okay, now my mom bought a red frock for me, so red. Tina has a blue pencil, blue. The yellow flowers in the garden attract a lot of butterflies, yellow, good. Yes, the leaves are green, green. The river is blue, blue. White color stands for purity and peace, so white. The roses are red, violets are blue, so red, violets. Oh no, violets are given because it's also a color. A zebra has black and white stripes all over his body. So black, and white. Okay. Amy has got brown hair as both her parents have brown hair. Okay. See? Am I right? Moving onwards. Rosy lips, teeth within, eyes are blue, lovely. Okay. So rosy is also a color. Okay. No, blue. See? These all are, or I can wait. No, blue. Okay. These all are adjective here. Brown girl in the rain, sha-la-la. That is a poem. Okay. So, brown. Okay. I have a red color nail polish that will match your frock. Red. Can you see these all are describing the given noun? That's why they are called adjective or describing words. Okay. Now, let's move to the next one. Now, previously we have read colors of adjectives, okay, which is describing the color of a noun or not actually color, okay, whatever color was given, that was describing a person, place, animal and things. Now here a number of adjective, okay. So after that you will have a kind of adjectives, after that you will have a shapes of adjectives, okay. So there are certain adjectives which describes noun or a pronoun. Okay. Now, two boys. Okay. See, number of balls, number of dogs, number of persons. Okay. So how many boys are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And girls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 girls. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 dogs. Understood? So these all are describing noun. Sachin made 6 runs in 1 over. So 6 will be the adjective, 1 will be the adjective. Understood? India is the second most populated country in the world. Second is the position. So let's come to the exercise. A week has how many days? 7 days. Yes, we are right. 7 days. Okay. February has dash days in the leap year. So, how many days? 28 days. Amen. 28. So, February has 29 days in the leap year and normally we had 28 days in the month of February. Okay. An auto has dash wheels, 3 wheels. Come. Oh my God, 3 wheels. Okay, 3 wheels. David won the dash position in the running competition. So where is David? He is the David. What is the position? First. So first. Come. Okay, first. Okay, so we have completed with this exercise. So there are certain adjectives given in your book, that is feelings of adjective, that is glad, happy, upset, angry. Then after that opinion means when anybody says you are a handsome boy, she looks amazing, outstanding. These all are the opinions. Okay. Color, I told you red, green, white, purple. Then shape means this box is an rectangular shape. Okay, so rectangular, square, circle, these all are shapes. Okay, after that size, in size thin, large, small, these all are size. After that taste, sweet, bitter, sour, these all are taste. Age, number, age means new, old, younger, and number means I told you that was 1, 2, 3, second, several, these all are numbers. Okay, so after we have completed this exercise, and what you have to do, I will just send you worksheet and you have to complete that worksheet and send it to me. Okay, thank you.